Hey, STEMsters, don't recycle that office paper because we're going to turn it into STEM. This is Eagle 1. We're getting ready to take off from the USS Nimitz. Oh, hi, STEMsters. Today, we're going to make a paper airplane and a catapult launcher. Now, when I think of catapult launchers, I have to think about the Navy and the use of them on the carriers. Now, the carriers, the first one was in November 5th, 1950. A man named Henry C. Minton successfully took off from a catapult launcher on a carrier. Today, our Nimitz class type carriers use about 62 airplanes on one using the modern catapult launch. So let's take a look at the parts and the tools we're going to need to build our airplane and catapult launcher. Let's go! These are the parts and tools you're going to need to make your airplane and catapult launcher. First, a rubber band, tape, a pen, paper clip, and paper. You could use color paper or white paper and then color it. Hi STEMsters, welcome back. So now you've made your paper airplane and your catapult launcher. So now it's time to collect some data. So what you want to do is to take this outside because you got a lot more distance outside than if you did it in the house, you'd probably hit something. So what you want to do is try shooting it into the wind with the catapult and then try it without the catapult. Just throw it and see if there's a difference between how far it goes. So measure your distance from where you start to where it lands. Try going in the wind, against the wind, all different ways. And don't forget to put the information in your data logbook. On the end of our video, go to ProdigySTEM.com and you will find a worksheet with questions and terminology and all kinds of information that you'll be able to have a page of data that you just did to put into your data logbook or into your data logbook binder. But I have one for each one of our videos. So have fun, learn a lot, and happy flying. Hi STEMsters, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe right there where the door lock is, because if you don't subscribe, I can't leave, and I need to leave. So thanks for subscribing, and leave a comment too. And don't forget to visit us at ProdigySTEM.com. Did you subscribe? I can't unlock the door. Please subscribe. I want to go home.